Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Triessence Power Blend is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the wellness market right now, and for good reason, as it promises a potent combination of ingredients designed to enhance energy levels, improve cognitive function, and support overall vitality, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to optimize their daily performance and well-being through natural means. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. Introducing the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact and versatile kitchen appliance. This 11-piece set is designed to make your meal preparation effortless. It features a robust 250-watt high-torque motor base, providing the power you need for various tasks. This ensures efficient and consistent blending every time. This appliance is capable of chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, and grinding. It can handle everything from smoothies to sauces and dips with ease. The cups are constructed from high-impact plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. You can trust it for all your blending needs. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks, including smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. It's perfect for quick and easy culinary creations. Get started right away with the included 10-second recipe guide. It offers quick and delicious dish ideas, from appetizers to desserts. What we like. This blender is perfect for small kitchens and quick tasks. If you're looking for a compact solution to make smoothies, sauces, and dips with ease, this is a great choice. Its high-torque motor handles various blending needs efficiently. What people say. It's a mighty little powerhouse and I use it a lot more than I ever thought I would. It makes great smoothies. This one comes with a handle cup and drinking lid which my old didn't have. This model has an improved spin wheel on the base, which is the part that broke on the old one, and this new version appears much more stable and sturdy. So happy with my purchase. I've been using it since the day I received it to make my smoothies in the morning. So easy and fast. And all the pieces on the set are so helpful. No leak at all. The power is perfect cause it just blend everything really quick. The piece with the handle is my favorite, so easy to carry, and all the glasses fit on the car cup holder, which is great. Number 4. Nutribullet 600W Nutrient Extractor. Introducing the original Nutribullet. It's the perfect starting point for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Effortlessly create delicious and nutritious smoothies from your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids. It's a simple way to deliver essential nutrients to your body. With 600 watts of power, this blender transforms even tough ingredients like spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its easy-to-use design makes it a device you'll want to use every single day. Just push, twist, and blend. It really is that simple. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse them, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. Enjoy healthy living without the hassle. This set includes the powerful 600W motor base, extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a helpful recipe book. What we like. If you prioritize health and want to easily extract maximum nutrients from your fruits and vegetables, this is the blender for you. Its powerful motor ensures a smooth blend every time, making healthy living simple and hassle-free. What people say. The oomph of the motor really does the job, and my smoothie blending time has been cut in half. Great for my morning smoothies. All ingredients get incorporated. No weird lumpy mess. Easy to rinse it out and air dry. It's super easy to use and blends everything so smoothly, from frozen fruits to nuts, no problem at all. Number 3. Revlon Volcanic Face Roller. Tired of oily skin ruining your look? This volcanic roller instantly mattifies your face, absorbing excess oil for a shine-free finish. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can achieve a refreshed, matte complexion anytime, anywhere. Simply roll it over your skin. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a reusable and washable solution to banish shine. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your purse or pocket. Enjoy quick touch-ups and a smooth, matte appearance wherever you go. Need a fresh roller? Refills are simple. Swap out the volcanic stone balls quickly and conveniently without needing to buy a new handle. What we like. For those who struggle with midday shine, this tool is a game changer. It instantly mattifies your skin without disturbing your makeup, offering a reusable and portable solution. If you need to look fresh on the go, this is your go-to. What people say. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. Compact, portable, reusable, and washable, an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for shine control. It can soak up a lot of oil at once, and you can use it over and over. To clean it, simply remove the ball and wash all the parts, wash with soap and water, then lay aside to dry. Then reassemble the thing, and bam! Just like new. Number 2. SuperGreens Powder, Organic Superfoods for Energy and Digestion. Feeling sluggish? Discover a natural way to boost your energy levels. Our blend is packed with over 40 organic superfoods to revitalize your day. Tired of digestive discomfort? This formula includes probiotics and enzymes to support a healthy gut. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to better digestion. We believe in the power of nature. That's why our drink mix is made with only the finest organic fruits and vegetables. It's pure goodness in every scoop. Make wellness a simple part of your routine. Just mix it into your favorite smoothie for a delicious and nutritious daily green juice. Give your body the nutrients it craves. This comprehensive blend supports overall well-being, from gut health to vibrant energy. Enjoy a refreshing taste that complements your healthy lifestyle. It's a delicious way to get your daily dose of greens. What we like. If you're looking to boost your daily nutrient intake and improve digestion, this SuperGreens powder is ideal. It combines a wide array of organic ingredients to support energy and gut health. It's perfect for those who want a convenient way to get their greens. What people say. This is a great blender. It has a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients. The Triessence Power Blend is very easy to clean. The parts are dishwasher safe. I love the sleek design of this blender. It looks great on my countertop. Number 1. Circulation and Lymph Glow Triessence Power Blend. Discover the secret to a vibrant glow. Our unique blend harnesses the power of nature to revitalize your skin from within. Crafted with a harmonious fusion of natural herbal extracts, flower essences, and pure essential oils. Experience the gentle yet potent effects of botanical goodness. Support your body's natural detoxification and circulation processes. Feel a renewed sense of vitality and well-being as it works to enhance your inner balance. Indulge in this exquisite Triessence Power Blend. Its concentrated formula is designed to bring out your skin's natural luminosity and health. This 30 ml bottle holds a powerful concentration of natural essences. A little goes a long way to help you achieve that sought-after healthy glow. Embrace a more radiant you. Incorporate this blend into your daily routine and witness the transformative effects on your skin and overall vitality. What we like. This essence is designed for those seeking a natural approach to wellness and vitality. If you're looking to enhance your body's natural circulation and lymphatic flow with herbal and floral benefits, this blend offers a unique, holistic solution. What people say. Great oil for the lymph system massage. Quality product. Great for cellulite. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.